From the first telephone to the first computer in the world, human beings constantly turn imagination into reality. 3D printing, an emerging rapid prototyping technology, is now changing the world quietly. Based on technological innovation, Creality 3D materializes wonderful dreams with wisdom, power, and renewed 3D printing technologies. Creality 3D is an innovation-based high-tech enterprise specializing in the design, R&D production, and sales of 3D printers and 3D scanners. Headquartered in Shenzhen, the tech capital of the world, Creality 3D has branches in Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan, and Dongguan. We primarily boast 3 categories of products, namely DIY, whole machine and light curing 3D printers, and more than 20 independent intellectual property rights of 3D printers. Creality 3D sells models Ender 3, CR10S Pro, and CT228 well globally, and stays ahead compared with the sales of competitive products. With an area of 20,000 square meters and an annual production of 500,000 units, Creality 3D prides itself on its advanced large-scale R&D center and 3D printing laboratories and 16 modern production lines, coupled with strict tests and quality control system. The excellent quality of each 3D printer is thus guaranteed. Starting from the source, we strive to be the industry winner with technologies and win consumers' hearts with high quality. Taking win-win results as a mission. Inspired by its mission of creating reality, achieving dreams, Creality 3D is committed to providing high-quality integrated 3D printing solutions for individuals, families, schools, and enterprises. We have established partnerships with Peking University, Tsinghua University, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, and other colleges and universities, and joined hands with Taiwan colleges and universities to expand the maker education market. Besides, we strive to deliver 3D printing technology services for China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, Chinese Academy of Sciences, China Unicom, and other famous enterprises and institutions, and fuel the revitalization and development of 3D printing industry. Meanwhile, Creality 3D has engaged in exhibition and sales activities in more than 60 countries and regions, like the US, Germany, France, Japan, Russia, Indonesia, etc. We continuously implement the global brand strategy to lay a solid foundation for China's 3D printing industry to expand abroad. Making breakthroughs based on innovation. Creality 3D has acquired international testing and certification such as CE, FCC, ROSE, and ISO 9001. National High-Tech Enterprise, China famous brand, and China's independent innovation brand. With a dozen of desktop, industrial, and educational 3D printer patents. With noble qualities of integrity and innovation, this professional and practical iron team works to become a world-famous integrated 3D printing solution provider and achieve the industry dream of a national enterprise by focusing on the future of industry in every detail.
创新是一个企业的灵魂，品质是企业发展的基石。创两三维必定会将全部的热忱和精力投入到 3D 打印技术的研究和应用上，坚持品牌差异化发展之路，让中国自主创新的 3D 打印技术走向世界。
Achieving great dreams. In the 3D printing industry replete of both opportunities and challenges, Creality 3D is unfolding its magnificent blueprint of independently innovative 3D printing undertakings. Creality 3D will forge ahead with firm determination toward brand differential development. We will pursue our dream of 3D printing leading brand to take the lead in the rise of China manufacturing industry.